will fly.
Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the second episode on the model farm display of dry armour. So today GM Farm Life came over. We did some great silage picks, which you'll see probably later on this next week, as in this is Sunday, so it'll be next week sometime. You'll see a slideshow on that, and we also did a bit here. So let's just show you what happened since the last episode. So this shed has arrived. It's the Britain's shed that they still make at the moment. Very robust compared to these ones, the other ones. And as you can see, that's the front end of it. So it's not a different one. It's just put it that way around so that the feeder wagon can get down there. So we've also laid a lot of gravel in this area here, in the sheds and everything. So this will be where the yard is. I need to order some grey paint to paint up that, because we're going to have slats in there so that the slurry can drain through there, and we'll have a slurry output thing, probably over there or over there somewhere. We've used this ballast from Woodland Scenics in a nice big pot, so we've got plenty. We've got two pots of this, so we should have plenty to finish off the yard. Even though that bit over there in front of the clamp, I don't think I'm going to do gravel, because you won't want gravel getting in your clamp silage. So I think I might do that sort of a concrete, and then sort of end the gravel on that sort of line there. So yeah, hello. So that shed's still there. So's shed 2 over there. Moving along, silage clamp we need to make, and how I'm going to make it, I've got this balsa wood strip here, and I'm going to use these little square strips at the ends, so that it's elevated at the end, and then that will be the main wall. Cut that into 3 sections, stick it together, and shove it on there once we painted it, and hopefully that should look really nice, hopefully. So yeah, and then here, this is where the arable field is. I've started laying some sort of earth. This is real earth. How all I did to make this was scoop it out of the ground, get a sieve and run it through the sieve. And then you get these nice fine sort of dusty bits, and they will look perfect, I think, personally, as this field. So I just need to fill in that bit and fill it up into this line here, and we'll have a fence line. And how we're going to make the fences is we've got this circular ballast sort of dowel, and we'll just cut that up into little fence posts, stick them around, and we'll run some sort of silver string to replicate wire, or barbed wire basically. Okay, so underneath all of this stuff, we've got some hedges here, some nice hedges. I went to the local model shop, by the way, and I bought a ton of stuff for this, so we could get going as soon as possible. So we've got 3 lots of hedges there, which is just going to run down the edge of that silage field in there, which is where all the stuff is sitting at the moment, as you can see. Just going to have a little hedge there, so we can maybe do a couple of little hedge cutting sort of displays or something like that. I do need to order some stuff off Brushwood. I want to order a bit of their wool to go sort of there, and maybe around the back as well, to sort of add some detail there. And I also want to order a farm track to run down there into the yard. And yeah, just a few little bits and bobs just to make it come to life. And for the grass field, we've got some longer grass bits there, and 2 lots of sort of fine dusty grass there. I'm just going to mix all of that up, and it should make a nice sort of formula for the grass field, which is where all the stuff is laying here. I got this scraps of tarmac, so I might use that somewhere, not sure. I've also got a few tufts of grass that we might put on the field edges and stuff like that, maybe one or two in the yard, just to make it not look so new. The PVA glue I've been using is just kids PVA glue, does the job. That's all to say about that, really. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please do go subscribe to GM Farming Life, who's my best mate who we're doing this with. Yeah, go subscribe to him. He's doing some nice cab view videos on his awesome fleet, so John Deere, so definitely go check him out, subscribe to him. He definitely needs more subscribers, deserves more, so go do that, please, for me. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.